This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
While you are waiting for the engine to cool, check the new plugs for defects and adjust the gaps if necessary. The gap is checked by inserting the proper thickness gauge between the electrodes and the tip of the plug. Spark plug manufacturers recommend using a wire-type gauge when checking the gap. The gauge should just slide between the electrodes with a slight amount of drag. If the gap is incorrect, use the adjuster on the gauge body to bend the curved side electrode slightly until the proper gap is obtained. If the side electrode is not exactly over the center electrode, bend it with the adjuster until it is. Also check for cracks in the porcelain insulator. If any are found, the plug should not be used. Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Turn the screws 90 degrees counterclockwise and remove the plastic cover above the ignition coils. Disconnect the ignition coil electrical connectors. Loosen and remove the coil mounting bolts. If necessary, label the coils to keep them in the correct order when installing. Pull the ignition coil straight out of the spark plug hole. If compressed air is available, use it to blow any dirt or foreign material away from the spark plug hole. The idea here is to eliminate the possibility of debris falling into the cylinder as the spark plug is removed. Place a spark plug socket and extension over the plug and remove it from the engine by turning it counterclockwise direction. Apply an anti-seize compound to the threads of the new plugs to facilitate future removal. Thread one of the new plugs into the hole. It is a good idea to slip a short length of rubber hose over the end of the spark plug to use as a tool to thread it into place, particularly if the cylinder head is made of aluminum. The hose will grip the plug well enough to turn it, but will start to slip if the plug begins to cross-thread in the hole. This will prevent damaged threads and the accompanying repair costs. Tighten the spark plug to the specified torque setting. Install the ignition coil and mounting bolt onto the spark plug. Tighten the mounting bolt securely. Connect the coil electrical connector. Repeat this procedure for the remaining spark plugs. Install the plastic cover and secure the mounting fasteners. Connect the negative battery cable and tighten the bolts securely.